everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel for those of you that are new. I am Michelet, and in this video I'm going to be doing a blowout on my client. I know you all have seen me do blowouts. I have plenty of blowouts on my channel, but in this video I'm going to be showing you some things that I have done on this client, and that is important to that some of you may want to use when you are blowing out your client's hair as well. But before we get started, I would love for you all to please subscribe to my channel before leaving, give it a thumbs up, and turn those notification bells on so that way you know I've uploaded a video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so she's been shampooed, conditioned. I put a color on her hair, and now it's time for me to blow dry and straighten. So I blow dry her head. I use the S3 serum for heat protectant. And as you can see, her ends are already straight. So this is what I wanted to talk to you all about. When the ends are straight like this, you do not want to add too much heat. And I'm about to show you right here. In this spot right here, you can see that her ends are already straight. So when you're doing this, the trick is to just straighten the roots. So you want to do that, and you don't want to pull the flat iron all the way down to the end because the ends are already straight. She is going to be curled as well, which is another reason why I don't want to add too much heat. So that's what I wanted to touch base on. And when you have a client like that, when the ends are really straight due to heat damage or anything like that, you want to try to, this particular client, she loves to get her hair straightened. She doesn't wear her natural hair like that. But I still want to be able to try to preserve and save the curls. I also make sure she comes and get her treatments. We rotate her treatments. This time she got a basic deep conditioning treatment. The next time she's going to do a protein treatment because we did see a little bit of shedding, which is fine because the protein is going to knock it right out. But her hair overall, her hair is doing really well since we've been doing those treatments. In case you're wondering what flat iron I am using, I actually got this one from a distributor. It is called the Rose Nature flat iron, and it is really good. I have used this on the most kinkiest hair, and it still does the job. So I absolutely love these flat irons. If I can find a link or something like that, I will place it in my description. So now I'm just going to give her a small trim. I want to make sure that her ends are nice and clean because, a blowout always look good with nice, clean ends. So that's what I am doing. She doesn't necessarily need it, but I just wanted to go and make sure that it looks nice and it's clean. am curling in big sections. I do not want to curl in small sections. I think that would just be too much. And then I'm going to spray her with a little Sebastian-Zero gravity spray. And that is it, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please tell me your thoughts. Leave questions and comments on some of the things that I've talked about. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please be sure to give the video a thumbs up before leaving and turn your notification bells on so that way you know if I've dropped a video. And I thank each and every one of you for subscribing. Please be sure to check me out on Instagram at Immaculate Impressions and Immaculate Life. And you all have a great week. Bye, y'all.